Hello, my name is Jasmine Pantunyal, and I am a teacher from the Philippines. I hold a degree in secondary education, majoring in mathematics, and graduated cum laude. I have been teaching for 6 years, handling mathematics for junior and senior high school students, as well as science for elementary students. I am also a class advisor teaching values education, where I guide my students not only in academics but also in developing good character and life skills. In addition to my teaching role, I am also actively involved in school activities such as advising the Glee Club. I enjoy making learning engaging by using interactive activities, technology, and real life application in my lessons. I want to work abroad to grow as an educator, experience diverse teaching environment, and challenge myself professionally. I believe teaching internationally will allow me to learn new educational strategies, connect with students from different cultures, and make a greater impact. At the same time, this opportunity will help me fulfill my dream of contributing to education globally. I am excited about the possibility of bringing my skills, passion, and dedication to your institution. Thank you for taking the time to know me.